Get them comfortable. Permit tests, have good speed control. Know the rules of the right of way. Focus on being a defensive driver. What's up, Jay? What do I do if I'm not tall enough to see over the dashboard? You're going to have to put a polo under you. I've had some students like that. Typically, it's students who are, I got about 15 minutes, guys. Tap in those questions. Typically, it's students who are under 4'11". What's up, Tylenol? What's up, Clear? Those students are the 4'11". You got to have a polo under there so you can see over the dashboard. How do you maintain lane position? You want to look ahead. I have some videos that are on there right now that you need to look at. You want to focus on lane positioning. You want to aim high and look ahead, just like walking down the hallway. What's up, Jay? Right? Smashing my strawberry shortcake ice cream. What type of ice cream do you like? What's up, Marcus? Marco? So that's those questions. How do